Hello, all. The topic that I am going to discuss today is that of scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. If you are a business economics student and if you are having troubles in understanding the subject, then a grip on these concepts can help you out tremendously. So, we'll begin with the what actually is economics? If I throw this question to a majority of people, they would say economics is about money. However, this is not right. Economics is not about money. Instead, it is about the choices that we make. Economics is a welfare science that studies human behavior. It studies the choices that we make, the reasons that underlie these choices, and the impact that these choices have on us and on the society as a whole. This is the reason why economics has been branched out into microeconomics and macroeconomics. The concept of choice is closely associated with the concept of scarcity. Basically, economics states that we have limited resources and unlimited wants, which give rise to the concept of scarcity. Here, we should first understand the difference between wants and needs. Wants. What are wants? Wants are the luxuries that you desire. Needs, on the other hand, are your basic necessities. For example, for living a life, I need food, but that food could be anything. But if I desire to have a dinner out at a five-star restaurant, luxury restaurant, then this is a want and it's not a need. The fact that we have limited resources and unlimited wants gives rise to the concept of scarcity. You should here understand that there is a difference between scarcity and shortage. Shortage means temporary unavailability of something. However, scarcity is the complete inavailability of a resource. The concept of scarcity gives rise and choices also. Basically, this combination, the concept of scarcity and choices work in compendium with each other to give rise to the concept of opportunity cost. If I talk in literal terms, then opportunity cost can be defined as the cost of the next best alternative foregone. If you're a new one and you're new to economics, then this is very confusing and it may scare you at times as well. So I'll use a simple example to clarify the concept of opportunity cost for you all. Let us assume that you are a university going student and you are a part time worker too. Now let us assume another thing. Today you found out that you have got an extra $15 in your pocket. So what are you going to do? You can either buy a book or you could go for fast food. Now this illustration defines the concept of choice, scarcity, and opportunity cost as a whole. Here, your resources, which is the financial resource or the $15 that you have got, is limited. Now you have got two wants, basically to buy a book or to buy fast food. This is the concept of scarcity. Now what do? You suddenly realize that you are a very avid reader and you cannot go without reading. So you choose the want of buying the book. However, for this reason, you have to forego eating out. You have to give up on the choice of buying fast food. So in this case, the utility that you could gain or the satisfaction that you could gain from that fast food is your opportunity cost. Here you should keep under consideration that not only individuals have opportunity cost, but firms also have opportunity cost. How? And a simple example of this could be that in this highly and intensely competitive business environment, firms have to decide between different projects. This multiple project environment also entails opportunity cost. Firms can go for one or two projects at a time. However, they may have 5 feasible projects and they may go for the best ones. Similarly, the decision to produce, what to produce, when to produce, and how to produce also comes up from opportunity cost. Hopefully, we will be covering that in our other lectures. Similarly, governments also confront opportunity cost. How? In later lectures, we will be reviewing the concept of specialization and trade. Governments do not produce everything that they can. They specialize in some products and then export those specialized products. In this case, government have the opportunity cost because they can produce one, two, three, or a limited number of products and not everything. For now, you have to remember these key points. Firstly, economic is not about money, but it's about choices. The concept of scarcity gives rise to the concept of choices. And finally, with every choice you make, you confront an opportunity cost. So, always remember that the key to your economic success is to make the right choice at the right time.